Are you searching for a gentle, natural way to feel lighter, reduce stubborn belly bloat, and support your body's healing, especially as you move gracefully through your 50s and beyond? Many of us wake up feeling sluggish or weighed down, wondering if there's a simple solution that doesn't involve complicated routines or expensive supplements. The good news is, there's a time-honored ritual that can help you start your day feeling refreshed, energized, and ready to take on whatever comes your way. The answer isn't found in the latest fad diet or a pricey supplement promising miracles. Instead, it's a simple, nourishing morning drink you can prepare in just a few minutes, right in your own kitchen. This ritual is about reconnecting with your body's natural rhythms and giving yourself a gentle boost each morning. No deprivation, no harsh cleanses, just real ingredients that work in harmony with your system. By making this drink part of your morning, you're supporting your digestion, calming inflammation, and giving your metabolism a gentle nudge before breakfast. Imagine starting your day with a warm, soothing beverage that not only tastes good, but also helps your body process nutrients more efficiently, reduces discomfort, and sets a positive tone for the hours ahead. It's a small act of self-care that can have a big impact over time. The ingredients are simple yet powerful: pure water, fresh lemon, raw apple cider vinegar, ginger, and a touch of cinnamon. These natural elements have been trusted for centuries in cultures around the world to gently cleanse, energize, and restore balance. Lemon provides a burst of vitamin C and helps alkalize the body. Ginger soothes the digestive tract and reduces inflammation. Cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar, while apple cider vinegar supports gut health and detoxification. Together, they create a synergy that's both healing and invigorating. Embracing this morning ritual is more than just a health trend. It's a way to honor your body and connect with ancient wellness traditions that have stood the test of time. Each sip is a reminder that you're taking care of yourself, nurturing your well-being, and making choices that support your vitality at every age. It's a moment of peace and intention before the busyness of the day begins. In the next few moments, we'll break down how each ingredient works its magic, and show you exactly how to prepare this revitalizing drink so it becomes a seamless, enjoyable part of your daily routine. Let's discover how this simple habit can help you feel your best every single morning. Every great elixir starts with warm water, not cold, not boiling. Warm water gently wakes up your digestive system, flushes out overnight toxins, and encourages regularity. It preps your stomach to absorb nutrients and gives your metabolism a subtle boost. Hydration is essential for every cell, from your brain to your muscles. Starting your day with warm water helps reduce bloating and sets the stage for mindful eating. Think of it as watering your internal garden, simple but vital. This is the essential first step in your morning wellness ritual. Next, let's talk about two ingredients that have stood the test of time in the world of natural wellness: apple cider vinegar and fresh lemon juice. These simple kitchen staples are more than just flavor enhancers. They're powerful tools for supporting your body's digestion, metabolism, and overall vitality. When you combine apple cider vinegar and lemon juice, you're creating a potent blend that can help kickstart your digestive system each morning. Both ingredients have unique properties, but together, they form a dynamic duo that can make a real difference in how you feel throughout the day. For the best results, always choose raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar with the mother. The mother is a collection of beneficial bacteria, proteins, and enzymes that form naturally during fermentation. This cloudy substance is what gives ACV its powerful health benefits, including supporting gut health and boosting your immune system. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar is known to help stabilize blood sugar levels, which can be especially helpful if you're looking to avoid energy crashes or sugar cravings later in the day. It also helps curb your appetite, making it easier to stick to healthy eating habits. Plus, ACV supports the production of healthy stomach acid, which is essential for breaking down food and absorbing nutrients efficiently. Fresh lemon juice, on the other hand, is packed with vitamin C and powerful antioxidants. These nutrients help soothe inflammation in the gut, support your immune system, and assist your liver in detoxifying your body. The natural acidity of lemon juice also helps stimulate digestive juices, making it easier for your body to process meals. Although lemon juice is acidic outside the body, it actually has an alkalizing effect once digested. This means it helps balance your body's pH levels, which is important for overall health, and can even aid in fat metabolism. Starting your day with this combination can help you feel lighter, more balanced, and ready to take on whatever comes your way. When you mix apple cider vinegar and lemon juice, you're not just getting the benefits of each ingredient, you're creating a synergy. Apple cider vinegar supports healthy stomach acid, while lemon juice promotes alkalinity in the body. This balance can help optimize digestion, reduce bloating, and support your body's natural detoxification processes. By making this simple drink part of your morning routine, you're giving your body a natural, effective boost. It's a small step that can lead to a flatter belly, more energy, and a healthier start to your day. Sometimes the simplest habits are the most powerful. Ginger root brings gentle warmth and powerful benefits to your morning drink. Its active compound gingerol soothes digestive discomfort, reduces bloating, and calms inflammation. Ginger relaxes intestinal muscles, eases gas, and gently boosts metabolism through thermogenesis. It's been used for centuries as a tonic for digestion and vitality. For those over 50, ginger's anti-inflammatory effects also support joint health and overall comfort. Adding ginger means less bloating, better digestion, and a subtle energy lift. A small slice goes a long way. A pinch of cinnamon is the final touch, fragrant, sweet, and packed with health benefits. Cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar and improves insulin sensitivity, reducing fat storage and cravings. Its antimicrobial properties support a healthy gut microbiome, easing bloating and digestive discomfort. Cinnamon is also rich in antioxidants, protecting your cells from stress and aging. It adds natural sweetness without calories, making the drink more enjoyable. Just a quarter teaspoon delivers big benefits for metabolism and gut health. A little spice, a lot of power. Ready to make your morning elixir? Here's how: warm 1. 2 cups of water, not boiling. Squeeze in the juice of half a lemon, 2-3 tablespoons. Add 1 tablespoon raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar. Drop in a few thin slices or 1/2 teaspoon grated fresh ginger. Sprinkle in 1/4 teaspoon ground cinnamon. Stir well to combine. Drink first thing in the morning, 20-30 minutes before breakfast. Follow this routine for 10 days, then take a 3-day break before repeating. Consistency is key, make it a peaceful daily ritual. As you sip your morning drink, remember you're joining a tradition that spans centuries. Ancient healers used these ingredients to soothe, energize, and promote longevity. Hippocrates prescribed vinegar, Ayurveda revered ginger, cinnamon and lemon were prized for their healing powers. These natural remedies worked long before science explained why. By making this elixir, you honor generations of wisdom and connect with nature's gifts. Sometimes the simplest solutions are the most profound. As you start this ritual, listen to your body and practice moderation. It's important to be mindful of how your body reacts to new habits. Pay attention to any changes, whether positive or negative, and adjust accordingly. Moderation is key to ensuring that you can maintain this routine over the long term without any adverse effects. Lemon and vinegar are acidic. Use a straw or rinse your mouth after drinking to protect your teeth. The acidity can erode enamel over time, so taking these precautions helps maintain dental health. Additionally, consider drinking water afterward to further neutralize the acids. Stick to the recommended amounts. More isn't better. Overconsumption can lead to unwanted side effects such as digestive discomfort or imbalances. By adhering to the suggested quantities, you ensure that you reap the benefits without any negative consequences. Consistency matters most. Small daily habits bring lasting change. It's the regular, everyday actions that accumulate over time to create significant improvements in your health and well-being. Make this drink a part of your morning routine to set a positive tone for the day. Results may be gradual, so celebrate small improvements in energy and digestion. Keep a journal to track your progress and note any positive changes, no matter how minor they may seem. Over time, these small victories will add up, providing motivation to continue. This drink is one part of a healthy lifestyle. Pair it with balanced meals, movement, and rest. A holistic approach to health includes a variety of factors, such as nutrition, physical activity, and mental well-being. Incorporate these elements into your daily life for the best results. Always consult your healthcare provider if you have medical conditions or take medications. Your doctor can provide personalized advice and ensure that this new habit won't interfere with any treatments or conditions you may have. It's always better to be safe and informed. Here's to your health and a vibrant new morning routine. Embrace this new habit with enthusiasm and look forward to the positive changes it can bring to your life. Cheers to a healthier, happier you.